Hello guys! This is Teacher Liz from Chalor School and welcome to my English class. Our topic for today is about collective nouns for groups of animals. For monkey and for ape. The collective noun for monkeys and apes, we call them troop. A troop of monkeys. A troop of apes. Next, for horse, elephant, cow, and deer. What do we call the collective noun for these animals? We call them herd. Herd of horses. Herd of cows. Herd of elephants. Herd of deers. How about for a goat? Sheep and bird. The collective noun for these animals are called flock. Flock of goats. Flock of sheep. And flock of birds. So, a group of goats, it's called a flock. A group of sheep, it's called a flock. And a group of birds is called flock. Next, we have frog and ant. The collective noun for frogs and ants, it's called an army. Army of ants. Army of frogs. Next, we have dog and wolf. The collective noun for a group of dogs and a group of wolves is called pack. A pack of wolves. A pack of dogs. How about for flying insects? Like this one. Bee, fly, dragonfly, wasp, butterfly, and mosquito. For flying insects, we call them swarm. For example, a swarm of butterflies, a swarm of flies, a swarm of bees, and a swarm of mosquitoes. Next, for goose. What is the collective noun for goose? We call them gaggle. Gaggle. For example, a group of geese are called gaggle. A gaggle of geese. Next, we have jellyfish. The collective noun for jellyfish is called smack. Smack of jellyfish. A group of jellyfish or a smack of jellyfish. How about for lions? Lion. Pride. Pride of lions. And lastly, for fish. The collective noun for fish is, we have two, school and shoal. So we can say a school of fish or a shoal of fish. Okay, great. So now let us answer. Flock, troop, shoal, swarm, army. Number 1, blank of frogs. So what is the collective noun for frogs? A group of frogs is called army. Army of frogs. Number 2, blank of piranha. Piranha. What do you call the collective nouns for this one? We have shoal, a shoal of piranha. Next, number 3, blank of monkeys. Monkeys. So we call them troop. A troop of monkeys. A group of monkeys is called a troop of monkeys. Number 4, blank of hungry mosquitoes. Mosquitoes, flying insects. The answer is swarm. Swarm of hungry mosquitoes. And lastly, number 5, blank of birds. The answer is flock. A flock of birds. Start from the first one, army of frogs. Number 2, shoal of piranha. Number 3, troop of monkeys. Number 4, swarm of hungry mosquitoes. And number 5, flock of birds. Okay, everybody, so those are the collective nouns for groups of animals, and I hope you learned something from me today. See you again next week. Goodbye.